Hey guys, so for today we'll be doing a Uniqlo mini haul and let's see how it fits me. Actually guys, it made me decide to buy new ones kasi nga me and my friend Mads, we are actually planning to have a morning jog together since last year but ngayon, hindi na naman siya matutuloy kasi nga umulan. So, I think I'll just shoot this mini vlog na lang showing the items that I got from Uniqlo. So, let's get started. First is, I actually ayan. And I bought this on different dates. Kay, nalimutan ko yung credit card ko. So, yes guys. Quite guilty about using credit cards. But, since minsan lang talaga ako mag-buy ng mga activewear from Uniqlo. And this is my first time buying from them na activewear. No, actually, wait. Hindi pala. This is my first time buying items from Uniqlo. First 2 pieces from Uniqlo. Ta-da! Ito yung pinakaunang binili ko kasi nga I really need new shorts. Actually, tights siya or leggings. But parang I felt so awkward wearing them. So, ito na lang. I just decided to wear these shorts. This is from their Airism collection. And I bought it at 999 pesos na lang. So, instead of, I think, 1,490, naging 990 na lang siya. So, yan. See? It's in the size medium. Yes, guys. Na-shock ako doon na wala na, hindi na ako sa small. Hindi na ako small girly. I'm so happy. I gained weight. So, kaya yan. Pero medyo malaki na yung dito ko. So, I'm starting to get conscious na about it. So, yan. Medium na tayo. It's more comfy to wear na sa akin kung I'll just wear medium. And I love it kasi nga, stretchy siya. And then, talaga din yung quality nila. Like, look at that. Feel mo pa lang, hindi mo pa siya na-wear. You'll know na parang, it's comfy to wear. Just by holding it. What I love also about it is that may 2 pockets siya and side pockets, diba? I don't know kung ano yung pwedeng malalagay dito. Siguro coins. Diba? If gusto mong mag-buy ng taho after exercise, diba? Mga ano lang naman yan, 10-20 pesos. Then you can just insert some coins here. Ito naman sa isang pocket. Oh, hindi siya zipper. So, ayan siya. There. Next item. So, ayan. Since bumili ako ng bottom part, I need to also buy a top. So, actually, I have a top na, but it's very sexy, guys. Okay lang sana kung indoor. Crop top, outdoor tayo. And then, ayoko naman parang, magka-catch ng attention. Catch ng attention. Feeling. Tada! My first ever activewear jacket. White na lang yung pinili ko, guys. Oh my gosh, alam nyo. I really hate, parang naglilin towards sana ako sa black. But parang, na-remember ko na I really hate black pala. And then, gusto ko sana yung black. Hindi mo makikita yung dirt kung meron man. But I just really love this one. Giving that clean girl vibes. How I dress myself. I just really choose yung mga light colors, yung mga